Oh, I guess I can make another one. It must stop on its own when at almost 3 minutes, so that you know, in case I left it on like a dingle hopper. I really hope you could hear my mother Sigurd. See, I talk like a Gloucester taxi driver when I don't have to stream. Of course, I could do my DJ Vamp voice, but I'm not gonna. But teach everyone how to talk Gloucester, so they can say, I parked the car at Harvard Yard. And I will take over the world when everyone talks like me. Here comes Brandon. Look at me, Brandon. Oh, too dark. Aren't you cute? Alright, back to the fireworks. Thank you for the advice. Here comes the grand finale, I suppose. Cost that'll be the ones that are too low to see. I'll cut down that tree and the lamp post for next year. I'll probably go to jail for it, but at least I'll get a good video first. Hope I can take my camera to prison. Looks like the fucking town of Gloucester's getting bombed. Actually, I should watch the fireworks from over the camera. Note all the residents of Gloucester whistling and howling. I hope you can hear that. Time's about to run out too. Son of a, you know, bastard camera. Oh, there go the boats. Aren't they retarded? No more cigarette. And that's probably it. The butt can. Can't see that either.